My name is Mia. I live in a small town near the sea. Every morning, I wake up early and walk on the beach. I like the sound of the waves and the soft sand under my feet. The sea makes me feel calm and happy. One morning, I see a man sitting on the sand. He has a notebook and a pencil. He is drawing something. I look at him for a few seconds, but I do not say anything. I keep walking. The next day, I see the man again. This time, he is standing near the rocks. He has a camera and is taking pictures of the sea. I feel curious, so I walk closer. "Hi," I say. He turns and smiles. "Hi," he says. "I see you here every day," I say. "I like the sea," he says. "It is very peaceful." We talk for a few minutes. His name is Leo, and he is visiting the town for 2 weeks. He is an artist. He draws pictures of nature and takes photos. I tell him I live in the town. "You are lucky," he says. "This place is beautiful." "Yes, it is," I say. The next morning, I see Leo again. He is sitting on a rock and drawing. I go to him and ask, "What are you drawing?" "The sea," he says. "The waves are perfect today." I sit next to him and watch him draw. His hands move quickly, and the picture looks very good. "You are very talented," I say. "Thank you," he says with a smile. A few days later, Leo asks me, "Can I draw you?" "Me?" I ask, surprised. "Yes," he says. "You belong here, with the sea and the sand." I laugh but agree. I sit on the rocks while he draws me. He looks at me, then at his paper, many times. "You are very serious," I say. "I want it to be perfect," he says. When he finishes, he shows me the picture. It is amazing. "This is beautiful," I say. "I am happy you like it," he says. We start spending more time together. We walk on the beach, talk about life, and watch the sunset. Leo tells me about the city where he lives. It is big and noisy. "I like the quiet here," he says. "I like it too," I say. One day, we go to the market. It is busy, with people selling fish, fruits, and handmade jewelry. Leo buys a seashell necklace for me. "This is for you," he says. "It is beautiful," I say. "Thank you." Not everyone is happy about our friendship. Clara, a girl from the town, is jealous. She sees us together and whispers to her friends. "Why does he spend time with her?" she says. "She is not special," her friend replies. One day, Clara talks to me. "Leo will leave soon," she says. "I know," I say. "Then why do you spend time with him?" she asks. "Because I like him," I say. Clara also talks to Leo. "You should spend time with me," she says. "I know this town better than Mia." "I like Mia," Leo says. Clara becomes angry. She tells people in the town that Leo is bored and will leave early. Is it true? I ask Leo. No, he says. I am not bored. I like being here with you. One evening, there is a festival in the town. There are lights, music, and dancing. Leo and I dance together under the stars. This is the best night, I say. It is because I am with you, he says. Clara watches us and looks very angry. She tries to talk to Leo again, but he ignores her. She is so jealous, I say. Let her be, Leo says. She does not matter. As the days pass, Leo and I grow closer. He tells me his dreams of traveling the world. I tell him about my simple life in the town. You make me want to stay, he says. You make me happy, I reply. Leo's time in the town comes to an end. On his last day, we sit by the sea and watch the sunset. I will miss you, I say. I will miss you too, he says. But I will write to you. I will write back, I say. After Leo leaves, I feel lonely. But every week, I receive a letter from him. He tells me about his life in the city, his art, and how much he misses the sea, and me. I write back and tell him about the town, the market, and the quiet evenings. One day, there is a knock on my door. I open it and see Leo. You came back, I say. I could not stay away, he says. This is where I want to be. We walk to the beach together, hand in hand. The sea is calm, and the sky is orange from the sunset. Clara watches us from a distance, but I do not care. Leo is here, and that is all that matters.